Today we're here to introduce you our high-speed blister packing machine. It can pack capsules and tablets into aluminum PVC blister or aluminum blisters. The speed of this machine is 150 cuts per minute. The output can reach 450 blisters per minute. PID multi-zone linear heating, offering high efficiency. 11 tons ultra-strong former, twice as the pressure as similar machines. This machine has innovation patents for multi-layer waterfall adjustable track feeder, offering high-speed feeding with vibration and dust removal function. Camera detection, rejecting substandard products. It also features for roller heat sealing, comparing with flat plate blister machine. This machine continuously running good effect, line clear, no wrinkle result. Cooling plates and reverse prepress device, the blister plates are flatter and not bended. Equipped with full server for all process including forming traction, heat sealing, cutting traction, offering high precision and running more stable. If the machine is continuous working for 1 year, the saving on the cost of raw materials allows you to buy another machine already. Equipped with MES system, which can be connected to your ERP, real-time monitoring of production status, it can also connect to a cartoning machine. If you're interested in blister packaging machine, feel free to contact Ruida Packing.